Hello everybody. Today I want to talk with you about how to do affiliate marketing for beginners on Instagram. Now, Instagram released in this month, okay, today, it's at today, release the new affiliate marketing with Amazon. You now can add or tag your product in your post, in your reel, in Instagram, and make money with your affiliate program, okay? Commission. Now, how you can get this? You need update your app first. Now, I must say that this program now is released in USA and UK. Okay. Now, when you are here and update your Instagram, okay, Instagram, make your date, and then open your app, okay, and you need have a professional account, okay, in your profile, edit profile and switch your account to professional account. I already have professional account. Now I need in those in the corner, can you see three lanes, and here can you see insights, okay, for professionals, okay, for profile professionals, okay. Now can you see insights, meta benefit, share content, creator tools and controls, ads payment, those in insights, and here your tools, okay. Now can you see your Amazon program, Amazon affiliate program, okay. Remember, this program only is released in USA and UK, and with this you just need a link to your Amazon account, and then when you make your post you can add your product or tag your product, and this is too easy and quickly. Have a good day. Sorry for my bad English, and see you later.